In this program, you have seen an overview of the types of personal protective clothing required in the fire service. You have seen the elements of the complete protective ensemble, the elements of protective clothing and their safety requirements, situations that require specialized personal protective clothing, your responsibilities for the care and maintenance of your turnout gear, and the correct type of clothing to be worn as a station or work uniform, and safety shoes. Your personal protective equipment, including your breathing apparatus and protective clothing, are often all that stands between you and the hostile environment of firefighting. By wearing all of the equipment you are issued and maintaining it in the best condition possible, you have taken an important step in ensuring your own safety as well as the safety and success of the entire operation.